This week, I'm going to be quickly reviewing AR, HYG, and GME from last week, and what went so right with DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG, at least for me, as well as what's next for this one, as this ticker popped up Friday afternoon on the bullseye alerts. We'll also be looking at LTL and CORZ, ticker symbol CORZ. So stay focused, stay tuned. Target practice starts now. Welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this world. Glad to have you guys back. Welcome back to my journey of my own swing trades. I'm happy to see if any repeaters are out there, or if no one's watching, I don't care. This is for my own benefit, damn it. I know a few people are watching, so thank you for your support, but yeah, welcome back. I don't know, I'm kind of happy right now because I did tell you guys, and this isn't financial advice. I must put that pointed out right now. This video is not for financial advice, entertainment only. What you do with your trades is your problem, not mine. So take this as a form of entertainment. Take what I say with a form of I can't talk today. I'm sorry. I don't know if I'm coming down with a cold or not, but my throat's been itchy lately. But take what I say in the video with the grain of salt, the size of Mount Everest. I think I might have said that the last time. I said Everest, or I know Kilimanjaro was the last one I said. Take a grain of salt the size of Mount Fuji. There we go. But anyways, yeah, we did pretty well with DraftKings. Oh wait, that's not the chart. There's the chart. We did very well with DraftKings. I did say we were hitting for a downsell, and holy crap, was I watching that on Friday. It dropped. I should have held though, because here's the one thing I'm starting to figure out, and hopefully this will help for you guys doing options calls too, is if it's in the money and it starts to become, the decay doesn't seem to draw down as much as I would thought, because I sold, and I should have held because it kept dropping, but I was worried that we were going to have a little bit of an up move, so I basically just sold it. And I missed out on, let's see, I'll post the picture up right now here of what I made. And yeah, I could have made, let's say, $50 more on that contract. Mind you, I only paid $38 for that contract because I was so impatient from the last time when I called this out. Because again, if you noticed, from when I called it out, it actually hit the target zone that I was looking for. I bought it down here. But I had conviction that it was going to move back down, so that's why I held. But I should have bought more when it was at $10, because holy smokes. So yeah, that was a bullseye right there, boy. This is what you do. This is what you do. And if you want to know how to do this, again, like I said in the first video, I did not know how to trade. If you asked me this 2 years ago, I believe it was 2 years ago, I would not know how to look at a fucking chart. Excuse the language. Language is going to pop up every now and then. I try to control myself. But if you would have told me 2 years ago that I would be charting and hitting targets and knowing what I'm doing, I would have said you're crazy. Like, this is foreign language to me. But now, like I said, if you're a beginner, or if you want to, learn some of this stuff, I highly suggest go to Arca's classes. Arca Bulls. My buddy over there, he's killing it, and he's molding very good students as well. So shout out to all you guys as well that are in the Arca team and the Arca University. I'm glad to be part of it, and I hope to help you guys out too. I might sound cynical sometimes. I know what you're saying. You one particular person, but the chart is the chart, and that's what it says. So I mean, I can't help it. But anyways, let's stop with the small talk and let's get into these charts, shall we?
Fire!
Let's start with DraftKings. Ticker symbol DKNG. We killed this one. Holy smokes, we killed this one. This is why I said, though, that if you do pick an options contract, go a little bit farther than what you think it's going to be. So if you think it's going to be next week, buy one for the week after. If it's going to be the week after, buy one for the week after. I thought it was going to be last week, but it turned out to be the week after. So thank God I bought those. But anyways, let me see if I can't copy and paste on here. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. No? Shoot. Alright. Technical difficulties. Give me 1 minute. Alright. Let's see what I'm going to do here. Let's start with... Move it closer to my mouth here. Let's start with a review from DKNG from last week. I'll put the preview up here right now. As you can see, let's go back to, let's see, what date was that? 25th? About 25th, so we'll go to the 25th. And we will see, here's the 25th, 26th. Okay, so here, right here, we can kind of see that it kind of moved up a little bit back to where, and I'm not sure if I drew this. This might have been a picture, or a picture, sorry. Let me start over. January, we've seen it go up, and I'm not sure if I put this line in there or not. This might have been something I was basically watching. So I've been watching from basically the 31 mark, where it kind of held off. You see it bouncing here, bounce back up, retest there, basically break out of our zone and dropped, which is beautiful. So made a nice little killing there. Not really, but if I would have bought more contracts, I probably would have. But hey, small accounts making big money. So, but let's pause it right now, because here's our next target. DKNG 3250s. Let's see, March 20th. It's at a 58% confidence. I feel like it might do this as well. I feel like it might drop some more first before it does it, but we'll wait and see here. I might actually jump back onto these, but hey, not financial advice. You do you. I can't tell you what to do. I can't tell you what to trade. Take this as a form of entertainment, and take this as a... yeah. Anyways, I'm going to pause it right now. I might talk in the background, but yeah. Let's fast forward. Analysis, be very wary about this one. I am, I could see a potential 2836, which is the 50% of this bar on the 1 day, I believe. Otherwise, I see more of a drop than anything. And again, this is basically practice, so I'm most likely, I don't know if I'm going to risk on or anything on this one. This is why I would call it target practice, because it is just practice. But for the most part, what I see, I can see a little bit of movement upwards. Where are we at right now? 2751. Let me grab my calculator out real quick. I'm gonna need to do some math. Why is it doing that? That's wild. 51. Let's see. 2771. About right there. Yeah, that's not really a lot, so upside, you know, we can see a potential resistance here to a potential resistance here before it starts dropping again. Because we have about, let's see, 155, so oopsies. Not what I wanted. $27.16. So I'm looking at 27.16 drop back down, so basically right here again. So we can see basically move up just a little bit from here to here, probably drop back down here again, and then probably hit that area. So this is what I'm gonna look at. So let's go down to the 1 hour so I can draw this up. And again, we have until, you know, 3/20, so March. So we got about a month on this one. I don't see it. This is a basically a 58%, so it's not really a favorable confidence. Remember, we want like 60, 65s. Anything higher than that. So let's see. Here. And then I said, what did I say? 2771. It's about right here. I mean, we could always bounce back up there, but I'm thinking somewhere right here. Let's do that. Drop back down to about 2716. So maybe not quite. Probably basically back here again. So probably not quite down here. But I'm seeing a bounce back up here maybe, and then basically hit that area there. I'm going to say, if anything, I'll probably look at buying those calls here or lower. These are my targets here. So, but again, you do you. This is just a kind of a range of what I'm thinking. So I'm guessing somewhere around here, maybe even lower. So I mean, I don't want to do puts on this, but at the same time I might, just depending on where it bounces. But I'm seeing a bounce here, probably back down here, and that's where I'll probably start buying some puts, or for some calls, I mean, for Super Bowl Sunday and higher, because that's where I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's gonna bounce up after Super Bowl, or basically before or during Super Bowl Sunday next week. It should bounce back up. So we'll be watching this, and we'll go from there. On to the next one. Alright, on to AR. This is one I'm in as well. And as well, it's so far so good. Targeting's good. I mean, you know, we had our bounce down here. Bounce back up. You know, beautiful fucking movement here, so call that another win. Put that on the win target there. Boom. Anyways, let's pause this and see where this is going, shall we? Okay, AR. Honestly, looking really good. Congratulations if you're playing this. Shares, contracts, if you're on the upside, I think we're gonna be good. APT squeeze looking pretty squeezy. A 1-day target of 39.19. If you don't know ABT squeeze, that's an Arca Bulls indicator. Pay only, so it's not free. You have to pay for this one. I don't know if he's selling it still or not, because he does rotate some of his indicators now and then. So pay attention, I guess, if you want this one. If he has a sale or anything like that, check out his website, or check out his Discord, and check out the YouTube channel. He does a lot of XRP videos, a lot of GME videos, a lot of those videos for you guys. So pay attention, and yeah. But yeah, we're looking good. I'm going to be looking at probably closing my things around this area, probably even higher if it does bounce up, but we'll see. This is my targets of area here. Again, not financial advice. You do you. I can't tell you what to do with your money. So, but we do have earnings though on Wednesday. Looks like February 11th. So I'm guessing maybe that's why it's starting to move up more. Indicators showing that's more upside. Of course though, it can always bounce back down. So I mean, this will be my resistance right here, this area. Let's see, 35.95 to about 35.57. I'm still gonna be holding these though. So yeah, I think that is good for this one. Let's move on to GME, and that'll be it for our reviews, and we'll go into the next couple of them that I'm looking at. All right, on to GME. Dun, dun, dun! The stock that everyone loves to hate, late to love, and all that other good stuff. So yeah, like that, it hit my 24.96 target right there. So I can put another one up there on the target board, and then it basically just dropped. Yeah, it dropped pretty significantly too, didn't it? So, yeah. No, it's going on an upside again. So let's do this last one and get to the next few that we can see for this week. But I'm not going to be charting this one very often, if at all. So this is only just for this week now. This will be the last one for a while. Well, 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 look at that. Look like we're going to have some more upside, but be wary of this one here. Beware of this area. 2364 to 2352. That's a potential resistance there. Resistance zone off of the, I believe it was the 1 day? Yeah. 1 day liquidation area. Liquidity, sorry. Liquidity area, not liquidation. Liquidity. But anyways, potential targets because it's broken out of our wedgie here. And it's only going up even more. My targets, potential targets, the inverse head and shoulders still in play here. With some confluence on a bull flag as well. And as well as this one, which is 2889, which will break out of the pendant as well if it does. So if you notice, I have two different areas here. I got this one here, which is on a downside going up, and then we have this one here, which is the big flag, the big boy. If it touches that, then we know here's your 1 touch, 2 touch drop, 3rd touch. We could be seeing even higher than that. So crazy, crazy, crazy. But congratulations on that too for you GME guys. I'm not gonna be trading this one, and I'm not gonna be charting this one unless you guys ask me. But like I said before on the other videos, I think Arca's is probably better than mine, so yeah, go with his. This is just my take on it, so let's move on to the newest ones here. Back to TLT again, which we already did before in a previous video. Let me delete those. So yeah, the previous video we were looking at this. Looks like it hit our target before. Now it dropped down, so now we're going to look at 2/6. Let's see, February 6 calls, 87.50 strikes. This one wouldn't be an interesting one. Let me post that up real quick. All right, so there we go. February 6, 75% confidence on this one. So let's check it out.
sitting on a dash, she a rock star, make your favorite singer wanna rap. Baby la la, Lisa, can you teach me Japanese? I said hype, hype, that's my life, baby, I'm a rock star. Been on a mission, but they call me catch and kill. I'm still in diamonds, make them chase me for the thrill. Been MIA, BKK, so pretty. Every city that I go's my city. Gold teeth sitting on a dash, she a rock star, make your favorite singer wanna rap. Baby la la, Lisa, can you teach me Japanese? I said hype, hype, that's my life, baby, I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star, I'm a rock star. It's not hype, hype, baby, then you're all caught. Make a wish, babe, what you wanna do? Dipping in the bass, feels like a pump too. It's a fast life, it's an attitude, put it on the calendar, tell me when to come through. Yes, yes, I can spend it, yes, yes, no pretending, tight dress, I'll be sent it, oh shit, this a rap. Been on a mission, but they call me catch and kill. I'm still in diamonds, make them chase me for the thrill. Been MIA, BKK, so pretty. Every city that I go's my city. Gold teeth sitting on a dash, she a rock star, make your favorite singer wanna rap. Baby la la, Lisa, can you teach me Japanese? I said hype, hype, that's my life, baby, I'm a rock star. Gold teeth sitting on a dash, she a rock star, make your favorite singer wanna rap. Baby la la, Lisa, can you teach me Japanese? I said hype, hype, that's my life, baby, I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star, I'm a rock star. It's not hype, hype, baby, then you're all caught. I'm a rock star, I'm a rock star. It's not hype, hype, baby, then you're all caught. And the music going, and the girls are buzzing. I get you in a, it's not hype, hype, baby, I'm a rock star.
All right, TLT. This is a expiry for this week, I believe, based off of the bullseye bot. Let's see if I can pull up the bullseye bot here. So this is for this week's expiry, 87.50, 75% confidence. My opinion, be very careful, because this will probably do it. Probably pre-market almost. I'm gonna put it up there. So let's see if we go to the 1 hour real quick, because I think that's where I drew it at. We got a potential 87.44, bounce back down, and I'm probably gonna paper trade this one. I'm not gonna put actual money on this one, but 87.02, basically this area here, the area of resistance. It could break longer or lower, but I think it'll bounce back up to basically just to tickle the bullseye target and then drop back down. So in a sense, yes, I'm thinking it'll hit, but in the long-term run, I think it's going to go back down this week or next week to the 86s. So that is the analysis for this one. We'll be watching this for the next video, but let's move on to the last one, which is CORZ, C-O-R-Z. Core Scientific, ticker symbol C-O-R-Z. Bullseye bot popped out Friday afternoon with a 24 strike, calls for 320, so March 20th, with a 66% AI confidence. So this is basically the confidence where we want to be at. We're around 65, 66, and higher to actually maybe put some money in it, but we'll see. Let's see if there's anything in the news lately. Maintain, outperform. Yeah, not really anything news, right? Ooh, Core Scientific climbs as BTIG. This is January 6th, so this is old news. So I guess there's not really anything there for us to use on that. So let's just depend on our charting here, and let's go from there, shall we?
sweat like that. Break it down. Ooh, when I look in the mirror, I'm not too hard to do. I got the superstar glow, so ooh. The first step right left to my beat. I like the moon rock with me, baby. Know that I got that heat. Let me show you 'cause I can see it. The first step right left to my beat. Get it, let it roll. Smooth like butter. Pour you in like no other. Don't need no pressure. Dream of me, you got it bad. Ain't no other. Yeah, I can sweep you up like a rubber. Straight up, I gotcha. Making you fall like that. Break it down. Ooh, when I look in the mirror, I'm what you're hard to do. I got the superstar glow, so ooh. The first step right left to my beat. I like the moon rock with me, baby. Know that I got that heat. Let me show you 'cause talk is cheap. The first step right left to my beat. Get it, let it roll. Get it, let it roll. Get it, let it roll. Ice on my wrist, I'm the nice guy. Got the right body and the right mind. Rolling up the party, got the right vibes. We like haters. Fresh boy, pull up and we lay low. All the players get moving with the bass low. Go all you right behind us when we say so. Let's go. First step right left to my beat. I like the moon rock with me, baby. Know that I got that heat. Let me show you 'cause talk is cheap. First step right left to my beat. Get it, let it roll. So like cool shade, and you know we don't stop. Highlight, ain't no, you be like, oh my god. We gon' make it rock in his head. We gon' make it bounce in his head. Hotter, sweeter, cooler, butter. Get it, let it roll.
Honestly, this one's a tricky one. Tricky. So this one's gonna be an interesting one. So while I want to say yes for the 320s, I would wait until we hit some marks. Mainly the 17, 13, 16, 69 area, and even the 15s, because that's where our right-handed triangle is, and this is based off of the 4-day, I believe. That's my right-hand triangle. 4-day, 3-day, somewhere around that area. Because it's broken out a few times out of it, so this could actually be a reverse. We've noticed before with right-hand triangles, if it breaks out like this, it kind of flips over in a way, so we could actually be seeing downside. We'll just have to wait and see if it breaks out from the middle here. But that's my guess for now. I don't think, I mean, we could, we could definitely hit in these areas here. So I'm going to put a potential for that too, because we have a little bit of an area here where it can be liquidity used. This is a hypothetical, so either way, I'm probably not going to be risk on these. I'll maybe just paper trade them and see what happens, but I'm thinking if I will paper trade, I'm going to wait until I get to this area here. We have a lot of downside popping up, but if it does do the upside, these are the targets I'm looking at. And this is probably, again, we have a month, so, but I would probably look at it here first before I'd even think about going up this way. So we will be tracking this for next week as well. Make a note of that. But I think that is it for this week. You know, hopefully this will help you in your trading journey as well. Hopefully I've learned something a little bit. Maybe not, because I do tend to do this a little faster. I put it on fast mode so you're not sitting here all day. But if you want to learn how to trade, you know, like I says, Arca's courses will be beginning soon. We've already had our first 2 live, so the private's going to be coming up here soon enough. If you haven't signed up for Arca's courses yet, I suggest you do it soon if you want. Otherwise, you know, snooze you lose. Anyways, I got to get up early tomorrow. I got to take my parents to the airport, so hopefully this helps. Again, stay tuned for next week. We'll chart again. Until then, see you guys later.